Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up backups on DigitalOcean with Spaces and Cron jobs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up backups on DigitalOcean with Spaces and Cron jobs, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the Spaces section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create a Space button. Choose a data center region that is closest to you or your users. Select a name for your space, making sure it's unique and descriptive. Choose your access settings based on whether you want the space to be public or private. After creating the space, make sure to note your space name and region. Next, you will need to prepare your local machine or server to interact with DigitalOcean Spaces. Install the AWS CLI if you haven't done so already. Configure the AWS CLI with your DigitalOcean Spaces credentials. Use AWS Configure to enter your access key, secret key, region, and the output format. Set your region to the same one you selected when creating your space. Next, create a directory to store the files you want to back up. Copy the files into that directory. Now it's time to set up the cron job. Open your terminal and type cron tab E to edit your cron jobs. Add a new line to schedule your backup. For example, to run the backup every day at 2 a.m., add 02 AWSS3 sync /path /to / replace /path /to / your /directory with the actual path of your backup folder. Replace your space name with the name of your DigitalOcean space. Save and exit the cron tab editor. You can check your cron jobs by typing cron tab L. To ensure your backups are working, monitor the space in the DigitalOcean dashboard. Make sure that files are being uploaded as per the schedule you set. Adjust the cron job frequency as needed based on your backup requirements. By following these steps, you will have successfully set up backups on DigitalOcean using Spaces and cron jobs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.